how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Binance. So here's how we do it. First, you want to open up the MetaTrader 5 app, and I'm just going to go to the home screen here. Now we want to select settings in the bottom right corner, and then we gotta choose new account. Now from here, it's going to show us a list of all of the brokers, and we have to search for the name. You can also sign in with a QR code here at the bottom. So if you have a Binance QR code, you can use it like this. Click on it and then allow access to the camera. All right. So here we can just search for Binance. But keep in mind that it's not going to be available in all regions. So in my region, it's not available here. I've just searched for Binance and it doesn't show up. But if you have a QR code on Binance, you can scan it and log in that way. So I know that's not ideal, but I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.